In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneNote not letting me sign in. First, make sure you are entering the correct Microsoft account and password. This step may seem simple, but it's crucial. Sometimes people have both a personal and a work or school account. OneNote might be trying to sign you into the wrong one. Double check that you are using the right credentials. Look closely for any typos or errors. If you see an error message, that could indicate a login issue. This little step saves you a lot of time later by ensuring you are starting on the right path. Next, check whether you can sign in on the web. To do this, go to OneNote Online and sign in with your Microsoft account. This is important because if you can sign in there, it likely means the problem is with the OneNote app on your device. You will see a familiar interface if the login is successful. If not, this could confirm that there's a deeper issue with your account or app. Seeing the online version function correctly gives you confidence that your account is active and working. From there, close OneNote completely and reopen it. After that, check for updates and install the latest version of OneNote. Microsoft recommends keeping Office and OneNote updated to avoid sign-in and sync issues. To check for updates, go to your app settings. This is a vital step, as outdated software can lead to compatibility issues. When you install updates, it ensures you have the latest features and fixes to improve your experience. You will see a progress bar as updates install, reassuring you that you are moving in the right direction. Now verify that your internet connection is working. Some users receive errors such as 0x8704CF, which can happen even when they appear to be online. Check your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. You might want to disconnect and reconnect to your network. This step is essential because a stable internet connection is critical for signing in and syncing your notes. If you see your connection is weak, consider resetting your router. This ensures that your connection is strong and reliable. Next up, try opening OneNote in a private or incognito browser window. Users have reported that this can fix problems caused by cached login sessions or account mix-ups between personal and work accounts. When you open OneNote this way, it ignores the regular browser cache. You will notice a different experience, potentially eliminating conflicts from previous sessions. This step is particularly helpful if you frequently switch between accounts. After that, if you recently changed your Microsoft password, click any Sign In Again message in OneNote to refresh your session. By doing this, you will authenticate with the correct account. OneNote should resume syncing once you complete this step. This is important because it ensures your notes are up to date and accessible. You might notice the syncing icon reappearing, which is a good sign that everything is functioning smoothly again. On Windows, if the problem persists, you can remove old Microsoft Office credentials. First, close OneNote. Then open Settings and search for Credential Manager. This is a key step because old or incorrect credentials may interfere with your login. Once there, select Windows Credentials and remove any saved entries that start with Microsoft Account or Microsoft Office. After this, restart your computer and sign in again. You should notice a fresh start, making it easier to log in successfully. Important: Microsoft warns against signing out, reinstalling OneNote, or removing notebooks if your notes have not synced yet. Doing so could lead to losing unsaved data. This caution is vital as your notes are precious. Always ensure that your information is backed up before making significant changes.